everyone, it's Amanda coming to you today with a live video. I just want to say I'm back, and I'm sorry I was away for so long, but I was on vacation for 3 weeks with the family out of the country, trying to get away from this cold weather. Okay, where I'm at, it's extremely cold, and I needed a break, but I am back, and I'm glad to be back. What I wanted to do is share with you some information on the new program that I've been working with. And I'm excited about it because what I needed to do was find something that was going to allow people to have consistent cash flow within their business. People want to run traffic, they want additional income, but they don't know how to do it, or they don't know how to get the money for the things that they need. And I've been able to actually find a program where you can have consistent cash flow, getting paid 5 to 6 times a week consistently, building up anywhere from $500 all the way to $3,000 per month, okay, by just answering some simple questions online. And I tested it all the way from the end of October through January, this month, and it's been performing very well. The company has been around for over 10 years strong. The person that actually told me about the opportunity has been doing this from home for over 2.5 years. So with that said, I'm going to just go into my site that I had built, funnel that I had built for me regarding this opportunity. And then I'm going to share with you some results. And if you want to get started, the link will be in the description below, or you can contact me. Facebook, email, phone, okay? So I'm a real person. I'm here to help. I will be available for just this week, and then I am going to be back out of the country again this Saturday for a week, okay? So I'm here to help you. I'm going to be available. Not only that, we have a Facebook group that has a ton of information about the opportunity, and not only that, we're going to have ongoing weekly calls to answer people's questions. And not only that, I'm going to be giving updates, tips and tricks on how to earn passively online and how to continue to grow your business or earn a full-time income from home if that's what you want to do. Okay, so here, this is my website, guys. The link that's going to be below is called the S3 method, and that's the name that I have given this opportunity. The reason why is because in just 60 minutes per day, an hour per day, okay, or even less, you will be able to earn a consistent income, okay? And what I love about it is the system works. There's proof. There's people that are earning daily. We have over 300 people that are now participating in this system, which was launched this first week of January, okay? So it's moving pretty fast, and it's affordable, it's reasonable, and not only that, you will now have the proof that you need to show people that you have something that works. And that's the main thing. People are online and they don't have cash flow, they don't have proof, and that's why they're not confident enough to promote anything or promote an opportunity, because they have nothing to show, right? We all want proof. We all want something that works fast and it's consistent so we can get out of the rat race. That's what this is all about. That's what I promote. That's what I'm all about, getting people out of the rat race, getting money in your pocket as quickly as possible, and doing it in a way that is easy for other people to duplicate, okay? Because that's another thing, it needs to be duplicatable. So with the S3 method, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to set up your account, okay? You can set up your account. It takes literally 30 to 45 minutes to do. It's no application process. This is only for people that are in the United States, US only. Schedule your time. You can do this on your schedule, okay? You do not have to rush to do to complete the information. It is data entry. You do it on your schedule when you're ready, okay? So I love that about it. You don't have to rush and be on a timeline or a time restraint or whatever you want to call it. If you work another job and you want to come in after work or before work or during a weekend, that's when you can actually step into your office, open up your laptop or your smartphone, and complete the information, okay? You submit the information that's given to you. You submit the correct information based off of the information you receive, and then you're going to get paid. So it is extremely repetitive. It is data entry, but you're going to earn consistently and daily just by answering some very simple questions that anyone can do. And no, this is not that survey company where you receive pennies for working. It's not one of those crazy survey companies where you don't make hardly any money and you're working all day for hours at a time in order to make 50 cents. I would never promote something like that. Not only that, things like that don't work, and it's not going to allow you to generate a full-time income, okay? So basically, with online marketing and with earning online, okay, a lot of people are putting out a lot of time and energy, sometimes even money, to earn money, okay? And people are doing this for months at a time, and they're not getting any results, okay? Most of the people that are online aren't even making, they don't even make over $500 in a year, okay? That's the average for those who are online. And the amount of people that actually make money online, it's close to 3%, which is very low. The other 97% have yet to figure out how to do it. They're just not consistent enough, or they're not getting results fast enough to stay in a program, okay? I know this because I've been online and I've been on both sides of the coin. I've been there when I didn't make a dime, or I made a few dollars every month. And now I'm on the other side of the coin where I'm making 6 figures a year. Why? Because I've broken the code and I understand what is needed and what you have to do in order to be successful online. It does take time, but there are things that can speed up your results, okay? And this is one of the ways. So this is basically what the website looks like. There's 2 payment options: one-time payment of $197 or 2 payments of $127, which is going to get you full access to the training, okay? It's going to show you exactly what to do, how to get started. And not only that, you will also be able to get access to our Facebook group, where we are a community of people that are all looking to free ourselves financially, okay? So I'm really excited about this opportunity. I've been in it. I've just started it, launched January 4th. As you can see, I'm going to just show you guys some proof here. Just one of my accounts, since I've been actually working it, and I have pulled out some money because I did go on vacation, but it is consistently growing. Give me 1 second here. Just log in so I can show you guys. I'm logging in right from the beginning so that you guys can see what's going on. I have $5,000, over $5,000 in just one account from just completing the data entry information online, okay? We have so far, well, the product itself, since it launched, has brought in over, I want to say, I'm pulling up my Stripe account, which will actually show how much has came in from the product as well. We're at $38,000, $38,700 in just the matter of 4 weeks, a little bit, 3.5 weeks. So it's doing very well, guys. And again, I wouldn't promote something that didn't work, okay? Everything that you need to do online is going to take some of your time and effort and your energy. The thing is, do you want to go the route where you have to learn how to market and you're doing it on your own and you don't have that cash flow? Or do you want to have cash flow that you can build over time, that's going to be consistent, that's going to allow you to fund any business, allow you to travel, pay your bills, put your kids through college, whatever it may be? It's really up to you. You have the choice. I'm laying down a foundation for you. All you have to do is make a decision and get started. Once you get started, you'll have the help that you need in order to maintain a full-time income, but you just have to put in the work. And it's not a lot of work. It's not like going to an 8-hour, a 10-hour, 12-hour shift. But you do have to do some things that allow you to grow that money and have it coming in consistently. Okay. And that's basically what I teach. You know, being on vacation for 3 weeks and being able to bring in $38,000. It's not typical, but it is possible, extremely possible and doable to earn from $500 to $3,000 per month consistently without recruiting. You just have to apply yourself, follow the directions that's given, and do it consistently. I showed you here. This is just one of my accounts from doing the evaluations, the data entry on a consistent basis. If we go here into my Green Dot account, this is also one of the accounts that I've used, okay, to collect the money that I'm earning from completing the data entry, okay? When I log in, here we go, $1,908. So like I said, guys, it's here for you. If you need me, I'm here. If you're ready to get started, the link is in the description. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, where I give you information on an ongoing basis of how to generate a full-time income from home. Also hit the bell so that you can get notifications on any upcoming videos that I put out. I'm here to inspire people and to help people to start earning a full-time income from home, and I'm here for you. So thanks so much for viewing this video. I'm happy that you took some time out of your day to view this information, and I will see you again tomorrow. Have a great day.